Hi, Courtney here with Indigo Marketing Agency. In this video, I'm going to walk through uploading contacts to your Mailchimp audience. So I have a spreadsheet here in Google Sheets with a first name, last name, and email column. And no matter what spreadsheet program you're using, maybe it's Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, or maybe you're using a Mac, you should have the option to either download or save the spreadsheet as a CSV. So you're looking for comma separated values. So I'm going to download that. And then after logging into Mailchimp, come under audience and make sure that you have the audience selected that you would like to import these contacts for, and select import contacts under the manage audience in the upper right hand screen. We're looking for the option to upload a file. And you browse to find that spreadsheet and continue to organize it. So this option tells you how you would like to include these contacts. You probably want them as subscribed. And then if you would like to add any groups or teams, all of these people are Indigo Marketing team members. So that's the group that I'm going to select. You can also add different tags. Maybe these are people that opted in for a specific challenge. Maybe you met them at a conference. You can add all of that information there and create a tag if needed. And then you come into the mapping section. So it has all of the columns that I have in my spreadsheet, which already exist in Mailchimp. If I had this just named as name or something, I could come in here and tell Mailchimp exactly what I wanted it to be associated with in Mailchimp. But everything looks correct, and then you're going to finalize the import. And once that's done, you can go and view what has been added. If you would like to add things manually, looking at your contacts, you come in here under add a subscriber. Here's another option, another way to get to the import contacts option. But you come in here and then just one by one, you can add their email address, any other information you want, select the groups and add any tags, and then select these two options. I always like to select the second option in case you have lots of contacts. That helps to decrease the possibility of duplicates, and then you hit subscribe. And that's it.